The Kubey EDC knife. I really like this because the shape and the design of it is just really nice looking. Another great thing about this is you open this up, you can easily go ahead and hold this with your hand, and it has a very interesting looking shape over here that lets you use it very economically. So let's get into it, why I like it and why you should consider getting this for yourself. So first of all, access lock over here. Easy for you to just push this down, and the knife itself just collapses just like this, and you can easily open and close it with one hand as well. So one hand opening and one hand closing is the name of the game here. Next thing, the actual shape of it is very nice. We have a pocket clip over here, and it is very friendly for you to use as well. Now let's go into the shape itself. So as you're holding this, it's easy for you to go ahead and grab this and hold this over here. The shape itself is built for you to go ahead and hold it. So it is nice and comfy when you're holding it and doing all kinds of tasks with it. Now if you want to get a little bit closer to the action, you can actually do so. There is a location over here where you can put your finger right there when you can cut things much closer in case you want to. There is also the guardrail over here, preventing you from accidentally getting hurt as you're doing a job and so on. Now opening and closing, this thing is easy. Move both of your thumbs down with this, and then go ahead and move this just like this, and it closes itself down. To open, you just put your finger right here, voila, it opens up. So super easy to open and close this. A few other things that I enjoy about this knife. I like this whole interface. It feels very good, and it gives you a great grip as well here. Now, as we open this up, there is no hot spots as you're holding this, which is another positive to this. Now let's go ahead and check it out and see how well it actually cuts. So the first test for us is to get some rope here, and we are going to be cutting this up. And yeah, it can actually cut this. It does take a little bit of effort, but I did it. It actually did a very good job cutting this huge piece of rope here. Next thing for us is a paracord, which is very hard to go ahead and cut as well. Let's see what it does. So this one, it's actually a fail. And it doesn't seem to be cutting this one. Oh, it did. Ha! It did cut it. Very good. Next thing we have, here we go, rope here for us to cut. This one cut it as well. And lastly, safety force. Let's see if this collapses on its own. How good the lock actually is, the access lock. Pretty good. Now, let's see how powerful this is when it comes to going ahead and using this. Just brand force over here. That's pretty good as well. And definitely a good knife. It does pass all the tests. Highly recommend it for you to get for EDC purposes. And lastly, let's do one more test here. Let's see how it chisels a piece of wood. Yeah, it's pretty good. Very good, by the way. Excellent knife for EDC purposes. I really recommend it for you to get.